It's safe in here.
Hi, welcome to apartment 2E. We are in the middle of prepping for our hurricane, and we thought we would give you steps on how to survive Hurricane Irene. Step 1. Buying essentials. You need food, batteries, water, booze. Anything you can use to get through the hurricane. If our power goes out, we can't cook, so ramen is out of the question. We're down to Pop-Tarts, chips, cereal, bread. Step 2. We need to pack our essentials because I'm hungry right now and we want to not eat our food. We need to put it in a box and put it away until it is necessary.
Let the rain come down, make a brand new ground. Let the rain come down. I wanna let the rain come down, make a brand new ground. Let the rain come down. Alright. Let the rain come down, make a brand new ground. Let the rain come down.
I went to school for musical theater. They didn't teach me how to fold boxes.
Make a brand new ground. Let the rain come down. Let the rain come down. Make a brand new ground. Let the rain come down tonight.
Follow me this way.
Yeah. Rihanna. Good girl going bad. Take 3. Action. Ho. No clouds in my stones. Let it rain. I hydroplane in the bank. Coming down like a Dow Jones. When the clouds come, we gone. We Rockefellers. We fly higher than weather. And G5s are better. You know me. In anticipation for precipitation. Stack chips with a rainy day. Jay, Rain Man is back with Little Miss Sunshine. Rihanna, where you at?
You have my heart, and we'll never be worlds apart. Maybe in magazines.
5 boxes of granola bars. Onion dip.
You can't see shiny cars, and that's when you need me there. With you, I'll always share. Because when the sunshine will shine together, told you I'll be here forever. Said I'll always be your friend. Took an oath, I'ma stick it out to the end.
Or bread for peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Those will always give you pie in a pickle. Peanut butter is protein. If you are allergic to peanuts, I don't know what to tell you.
Under my umbrella, under my umbrella, under my umbrella, fancy things will never come in between. You're part of my entity, here for infinity. When the world has took its part, when the world has dealt its cards, if the hand is hard, together we'll
The
make
only thing that we are missing that you do not see yet, because we have not had time to get it, is our booze. If I had an example of what we like to drink here, I would show it to you. We're prepping. We have some vodka with natural ginger flavor. I don't know if I'm gonna like that, but anything will get me through Hurricane Irene. And a swig full of vodka. We're gonna need some beer and a little bit more vodka.
Step 3. Cleaning house. We will have 6 to 7 people in our 3-bedroom apartment. Step 4. Prepping the apartment for people to be in here.
My phone, so leave a message at the tone, 'cause today I swear I'm not too.
Step 5. This is the most important. Mentally prepare. We have some tips to show you how to do this.
And now, the final step of preparation. It's the mental preparation that you need to survive Hurricane Irene. So as you can tell, I'm in a bathtub with a fan. I'm in my protection gear, 2 swimming suits, 1 a bikini, 1 a full suit, and I've got my goggles. Now I'm asleep. That was a doozy. I'm a little cold. Good thing I had my protection on.
We're taking control. We get what we want. We do what you don't.
You've witnessed how to survive a hurricane. That was mental preparation.
Step 6, survive the Hurricane Irene.
Thank you for watching.